In this video, we will learn how to insert footer in Word document. So this is my Word document. Go to the Insert tab and look for the header and footer group. Click on the footer option. So a drop-down menu have a pre-made designs. If you want to customize, just click on the Edit Footer option. So I select this, the pre-made design. Now you can edit the text here. Your footer will editable. So you can edit here the text and you can enter the date and other information those you want. So I enter here the email ID. Okay. Then you can enter here contacts number. Okay. Okay. The same footer you can see on every page. Okay. So here if you want to make some changes on the footer, then go to the header and footer tab and you can change here the position also. Just click on the second option, footer, from the bottom, and just click on the drop down arrow and up arrow. So you can see the changes, set where you want. If you want on bottom, so you can set there. Okay. So this is a way you can set here the your footer, and other option also available. If you want to insert the date, you can insert the date here. Just click on the date and time and the available format here also. So select the time, I select the time, and before that I select here, set here the cursor where I want to insert the time. Then I go to the date and time and insert, select here the time and click on the insert. Same as if you want the page number, you can insert the page number also. Go to the header and footer tab. In header and footer, the page number you can add here. So top of the page, bottom of the page, there are some pre-made design have. Okay. When you click on the page number, the other information is gone. So you can set the first page number, then you can set the information, or you can only set the page number on the footer. Okay. So this is a way you can use the other option also to set your the footer. Okay. Now just close the header and footer and here the set your footer. Okay. Email ID, contacts and timing. Okay. So this is a way you can insert the footer in Word document. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.